Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily change language on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be on Facebook and then go to the right top corner to the menu, and right here you're gonna see language in settings and privacy. So we're gonna scroll down below, click settings and privacy, and here click language. And here you have option to choose between Slovak, Czech, like whatever language you got, and that's pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.